But here's where things get interesting. For decades, scientists actually thought that the pop sound came from these bubbles collapsing. But recent research using real time MRI imaging showed that the sound actually comes from the bubbles forming, not bursting. The cavity actually appears at the exact same moment when you hear a crack, and then it just stays there for a while, like a tiny gas pocket. Now, let's tackle the big question that's probably been haunting your knuckle cracking conscious. Does this habit actually cause arthritis? The short answer no. The long answer